Gosh, my plants smell nice. And looky what the rain did. Buckets are full of water. Oh man. What's here? My flower pots. Still looking pretty though. I won't have to water my plants for a few days. That's so great. Oh well, there's nothing growing in there anyway. Ooh, look at that. Not to worry, those plants will suck it up. I was at the supermarket this hour ago and the parking lot is a swimming pool, honestly. Well, this is my update for now. See you guys later.